Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about first law of Newton, or it is known as first law of motion. So firstly we will discuss about rest condition and motion condition. Rest condition. If an object does not change its position with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time is known as rest condition or rest position. Motion condition. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time is said to be in motion condition. Inertia. In the absence of external force, the inability of a body to change its state by itself is called inertia. There are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. Let us take some example to understand the following types of inertia. A backward jerk when a bus starts. A person standing in a bus falls backward when the bus suddenly starts moving in forward direction. This happens because when bus start moving forward, the lower part of person begin to move with the bus, whereas the upper part of the body tends to remain in rest due to inertia. This is called inertia of rest. Forward jerk when a bus suddenly stops. When the person standing inside the bus will tend to fall forward when the moving bus suddenly stops. This is due to inertia of motion experienced by the upper part of the body, whereas the lower part of body tends to remain at rest. This is called inertia of motion. Inertia of direction. When a fast moving bus negotiates a sharp right turn, the passenger will tilt to the left. Inertia of direction is tendency of a body to oppose any change in the direction of its motion. Now moving on to our main topic, what is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law states that a body remains in the state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless and until an external force acts on it. Now putting in slow motion in simple word, a body will not start moving until and unless an external force acts on it, and once it is set in motion it will not stop or change its velocity until and unless some external force applied on it to stop it. This is simply the statement of Newton's first law. From above discussion, we can say that the first law of motion is simply law of inertia, which we have already discussed above. Now you can easily understand why a moving ball stops moving and comes at rest after moving some distance. This is because an external unbalanced force applied on it, that is friction. So this is known as first law of motion or Newton's first law, which is we can also say law of inertia.